Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up subscriptions with recharge for repeat purchases, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up subscriptions with recharge for repeat purchases, begin by logging into your recharge merchant portal. Once you are in the portal, navigate to the settings section in the sidebar. Click on subscriptions to access the subscription settings. Here, you will find options to customize your subscription offerings. Start by selecting Edit Subscription Settings. Define your subscription frequency, such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Next, set up the product offerings that will be available for subscription. Click on Products and choose which items you want to include. Make sure to adjust inventory settings if necessary, to manage stock levels effectively. After you've configured product options, head over to the Checkout tab. Here, you can customize how subscriptions appear during the checkout process. Consider adding messaging that encourages customers to opt for subscriptions. Once you've completed your checkout settings, move on to. In this area, you can customize the experience for customers managing their subscriptions. Add features such as pause, cancel, or update options for greater flexibility. Now, return to the main settings area and click on the Notifications tab. Set up email notifications for customers regarding their subscription statuses. These notifications can include reminders for upcoming payments or subscription renewals. After configuration, it's essential to test the checkout process. Create a test account to simulate a customer experience with a subscription purchase. Monitor for any issues and ensure everything works smoothly. Once testing is complete, launch your subscription service. Promote the new subscription options on your website and marketing channels. Monitor analytics to track customer engagement and subscription success rates. Regularly update your offerings based on feedback and sales performance. By following these steps, you are now equipped to set up subscriptions with recharge effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.